Hi, this is Dr. Holloway-Friesen, and this video will teach you how to split a file and then compare the descriptive statistics on select variables. Sometimes you have a data set where you have an independent variable that can be broken into two categories. It's a dichotomous variable. As an example, gender, male, female. You might have low income versus high income. Well, in this case, I'm looking at first generation students compared to later generation students, and I want to compare their descriptive statistics. So the first thing I'm going to do is click Data, Split File, and you'll have your variables here on the left side. You're going to go and find your dichotomous variable that you've already coded, and mine in this case is I'm a first generation college student. You drag it over. Now you have an option to check compare groups or organize output by groups. I just choose organize output by groups because it creates tables that are separated, which I find a bit easier to read. Press OK. Now I'm going to run my analysis. I'd like to know the descriptive statistics on a couple of variables, so I'm going to click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Descriptives. Now my variables are on the left side. I'm going to pull over social capital. I want to compare first generation and continuing generations on their levels of social capital. Under options, I have mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum already selected. For your homework, these would be some of the items you would check and press continue. Now press OK. Now, you're going to have a couple outputs here. And in this case, I'm a first generation college student. No is in this box. I'm a first generation college student. Yes is in this box. So you can do some quick comparisons here. I have 36 in my sample that are not first generation students. Their minimum score on social capital is 12 and the maximum is 36, and their mean was 22.92 if you round up, and 5.58 if you round up on their standard deviation. Now you compare that to those that are first generation students. They have a group of 97 in their sample. The minimum is 17 and the maximum is 40, so their mean is quite a bit higher than those that are not. And their mean is 31.39 with a standard deviation of 5.89. And then you can see at a glance that first generation students have higher social capital than other students.